we prepare drugs, and drugs are the cornerstone of all the treatment. We produce the global pharmacists who can work anywhere in the world. Whenever I take classes, I always tell this, that we are the directors, we are the people behind the curtain. We never get the acknowledgement, unfortunately, but we prepare drugs, and drugs are the cornerstone of all the treatment. So without drugs, you cannot think of, like a cure. So we prepare drug, we market the drug, we discover new products. So without pharmacies, this civilization would not exist. I personally feel that we have a big role to play, and we are here, and inshallah, in the future, in the coming future, we are going to play even bigger role, because drug is changing. We used to have different drugs. Now there are new generation of drugs, and they're going to cure a lot of different diseases. So we will need pharmacists. If you want to be a good pharmacist, first and foremost, you have to be a good person, good human being. And this is a really important part, because our profession is all about giving something back to the community. You are curing patient. You are basically producing medicines which has a huge impact on someone's life. So we have to give back to the society as well. So what we do is every year we have something called Pharma Camp, where we collect medicine from pharma companies and we hand those medicines to people who are in need. During flood victims are supported in that way as well. So whenever the country needs us, whenever the country needs medicine or any sort of healthcare assistance, we are always there. Last year, when during the flood, we actually went to Laksham and we went to Porshuram, yes. I think Feni, and we distributed around 5 lakh takas worth of medication, which we collected from pharma companies as well as our current students and alumni. They also donated. This year, we are planning, to have similar programs maybe in December, when the cold affected population, they suffer from a lot of disease like cough and cold and pneumonia. So we want to help them as well. So this is a big part of our club, and we want to continue this legacy. I am not aware of any other club or any university, especially pharmacy club, associated with this. So we first started this in 2014, and we have been continuing this till, since then. So this is one of our legacy, I would say. Many of you all know that NSU started in 1992, and this department started in 2006. Our curriculum is designed, based on the US curriculum. So the grading systems and the curriculum, and also the strength of the faculty members, as well as the department, like research work and the lab facilities, is top notch. Whenever we reach out to industry, whenever we talk to people, and we get positive feedbacks, because our alumnus there have done really an amazing job wherever they have been. And we have had around 2,500 graduates, undergrad students who graduated from North South University Pharmacy Department. And you can see, if you go to any company, and if you go abroad even, a lot of people are pursuing their higher education. So I think we have contributed, we have tried to contribute to this society, and we are committed that we will produce pharmacists who are competent and who are able to work in different sector, and they are like a global pharmacist. You would say that we produce the global pharmacists who can work anywhere in the world. If you want to be a good pharmacist, you need to have certain qualities. First of all, you need to be passionate. This is not something, it's like, if you're not passionate about this, you cannot, because it's a complex subject. There are a lot of different subjects and topics that are included here. So, and you have to be curious, and you also have to have some sort of empathy. People underestimate this ability, or you can say the quality. You have to understand what the society and the population needs, and you have to work on that. Only then you are able to create, a medicine, or you're able to launch a medicine which are going to help. So if you ask me, I would say these qualities are very important. A doctor, right, his role or her role is basically to diagnose a particular disease, right? They know what you are suffering from. Our role starts from discovery of the drug. We discover new molecules, we discover new drugs. The pharmacist's role starts from discovery of a new molecule or a new drug. Then we do our research and the drug comes to the market. So after the drug comes to the market, it's our responsibility to educate the doctors and other healthcare professionals about the new molecule, that this drug is able to cure certain disease. And not only that, then the drug is there, then we have to formulate the drug. We have to we have to somehow make sure that the drug is produced in a large scale. That's a very big challenge itself. So then large production, we work there as well. We ensure the quality of the drugs. And our major role, I would say, is with patients. Whenever doctors, they prescribe certain medication, it's us. We have to make sure that they understand what they're taking. They understand how to take the medication. They understand the different issues that may arise with taking multiple medications or with food. So the drug-drug interactions, the side effects and the adverse effect, it's our responsibility to ensure they are informed. And so that is, you would say in one word, we produce the drug, right? And we ensure that the drug is rationally utilized and used.